I want you to know that it's already happened. I want you to know that nothing that you can do right now could stop your manifestation to come. It's secured. I am here on this planet to tell you that it's about to pop, and it's connected to the season. We're currently experiencing a Mercury retrograde. This is just for you, and actually that's the best ever. This is just for you to be clear with the divine. Like, is there any dark places within yourself that you want to explore, transmute into love? Is there anything that is ready to leave your system? Because remember, the more you clear, the more you clean your system, the more you make room, the more you can welcome newness, new gifts, new talents, new abilities, new opportunities, new love, new abundance. It was 111 on the timer. There is literally nothing you can do at this stage that could I'm hearing block, entrave your blessing to come. God is about to bless you with the power and the blessing. You are entering a phase where, while the world is collapsing, you're going to live your best life. And I'm talking to someone that thank you for the confirmation on my phone. I'm literally connected to you, beautiful soul, no matter where you are. It's been like this since you're a child. Always, when other around had some shit or you were not affected, you were always few steps like way before everybody else. Actually, you were always in advance. You were always not connected to the it's you were just out of the noise. And right now, what is happening on planet Earth is not even affecting you because you've been doing the work. And while everything is just wondering what the F is going on, you're safe because you found God where they were in the nightclub. You found God when they were like having fun. You were having your dark night of the soul while they were celebrating their life, thinking they were safe, when they were actually living a false identity based on vices and addictions. You were fucking doing the work. And now you're going to inspire the world because they will try to understand how, but how can you stay calm, tranquil, serene in a period where everything is literally crumbling? You're just fine. You found yourself. Nothing can crush you. Nothing can touch you. You're so strong. So obviously you're going to have some envy and jealousy sent towards you because, again, they want to have what you have, but they don't want to do the work. They don't understand how deep you had to go inside to find God, to find the light into chaos, to find the light into this darkness that you carry here and coming on planet Earth, because we all start the same. We all have the shit, but it's how you're going to transmute them. Are you going to let them affect you, or are you going to let them eat you and be depressed your entire life? That's all the game of life. We all have the same chance. That's my perspective. We all have the same chance to transmute our life, become our own hero on this journey on planet Earth. Your words are going to really be needed at this time. I'm seeing 69 because you're coming to balance. And I'm here on this plan to help you remove your toxic, I'm hearing boundaries, your toxic behavior, to coming back to balance, to find this peace within, to align your distorted polarity, feminine, negative, coming back to balance again, harmonizing your entire system, energetic system, nervous system, because you're manifesting from it, from your emotions. So if your emotions are not at peace, if you get angry, if you get triggered, you're not going to hold the vibration, the frequency that you need to manifest, aka love. Something is going to come and disturb your peace. If your trauma isn't healed, you're going to be affected. And this is not what we want. We want you to be stable and grounded in your emotions. If you want to dig into this state of mind, check my website. I created powerful sessions and programs for you because I want you healed, because the world needs you more than ever, because you have a role to play in this chaotic, crumbling world that is becoming heaven again. Receive. 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 I want you to vibrate joy, love, light, and truth. So come sovereign authority. I want you to take your power back. I want you to remember who you are. Ooh, I took this one out of the deck, but I was taking that one. This is the treasure chunk. You're about to get some gold. Your spiritual inheritance, your goal, but you're going to get this blessing. Thank you for the confirmation. God is going to give you the power and the blessing. Oh my God. You have activated your dragon. Hang in there. Inner child meditation. I cannot make this up. This inner child, you see, transition, you are. The inner child is going to be happy. That's what I'm hearing from this blessing. This is everything you ever wanted. Believe me. You are no god. I think this is a gift of freedom. The gift of you manifesting effortlessly everything you just want, just you getting paid for who you are, because you're a blessing for the world. So that's normal that you get these blessings after blessings. I love you. Until next time, namaste.